Cody Step here. Over the greater half of the last decade, one thing has been powering some of the most successful real estate businesses: workflow automations. But these are oftentimes a luxury of the successful agents who have the ability to understand what processes they need to apply into their businesses. Whether it's the new lead generation process, the lead nurture process, the contract through close process, or just building a past client engagement series that can actually continue to build relationships. Well, now, instead of having to spend weeks and weeks and weeks doing this, we have a better way forward. Now, when Mark and I set out to reimagine real estate technology, we built a modern workflow automation called routines. These are modular automations that are triggered off key moments that happen so that you can focus on the small moments rather than having to look at the big processes. When we did this, we made it so that Sam can actually build these for you. And we sat back and we said, gosh, we can't make it any easier. Well, that was until now. So October 10th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, we are going to be launching something that is fundamentally going to shift how real estate technology works. And that is the SAM Routine Workflows Builder. What we're gonna be able to do is showcase to you how with just a few words and several minutes, you're gonna be able to build out entire processes. All of those different processes that you need for your business, Sam can now build for you. So instead of spending weeks and weeks and weeks trying to identify these processes, sitting down and categorizing them, and then maybe finally building them into your systems, you can actually just tell Sam what you want to accomplish, and Sam will build the entire series of multiple routine automations. It's going to have all of the activities, all of the actions. It's going to write all of the templates for you, and it's going to do it in a way that you just review it and then you can start running it in less than 20 minutes. It's truly mind-blowing, and I cannot wait to show you exactly what we have in store for you. So I would like to personally invite you to this event. October the 10th at 1 p.m., we are gonna be going live and we're gonna be showcasing to you how you're able to accomplish this inside of SAM. We're gonna hopefully make a case for you that SAM is the right tool for you and your future in real estate. Now, this has been a really cool opportunity, and when Mark showed it to me, fundamentally I was blown away. I know you're gonna be too. So go ahead and click the link below, get signed up for this event, and you're gonna get to spend some time with us live, seeing how Sam could actually build the automations into your business that you've always wished that you had, but you probably never had the opportunity to sit down and build until now. I can't wait to see you October the 10th at 1 p.m. Go ahead and click the link below, get signed up, and I'll see you there.